What's up guys, I wanted to do a quick review on these 120XP GearWrench ratchets. They have the flex head, as you can see. The part number on Amazon is 81230P, and these perform in a 3-degree arc swing, so they're pretty impressive. The flex heads they snap into place. They're not locking, but it is a very firm snap. Pretty impressed with the quality of these. Now these specific ones are pretty long on the handles. Your 1/2 inch drive there is right about 16.5 inches, 17 inches. Your 3/8 drive is a total of about 11.5. Your stubby 3/8 drive is about 5 inches, and your 1/4 inch is 7 inches. But certain situations, I'm actually pretty excited to have these longer handles on the flex head. Listen real close to how tight the pawls in there are. You can pick these up on Amazon for about $125. If you want to see how much abuse I'm putting them through, please check out my YouTube channel at Baker Rebuilds.